Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I want to look at one that I've been wearing at work this week from the house of ScentStory. It's a flanker from their 24 line. This one is called 24 Elixir Platinum. They also have one called 24 Platinum, so don't confuse the two. They are not the same fragrance. This one came out in 2015 and is classified as a leather fragrance. Top notes are incense, lemon, vermouth, and chamomile. Middle notes are amber, cedar, and apricot. Base notes include vanilla, musk, and Russian leather. So this one, when you first put it on, it is a very animalic and challenging fragrance, I think, for a lot of people that aren't used to this type of fragrance. It does harken back to the powerhouse fragrances of the 80s. It kind of reminds me of like that type of smell that you would expect from something like Azzaro or maybe Quorum. It's a very musky, animalic leather smell you're going to get in the opening. But as it starts to dry down, you slowly get these other notes creeping out. It might take a few wearings to fully appreciate this one because there is so much going on here. And maybe the Russian leather and the musk will overpower your nose at first, but I think as you wear this one more and more, you do pick up on the other more pleasing notes in here, like the apricot and the vanilla. It took me a while to really start to get those notes. So, an animalic, vanillic, a musky leather, with some apricot in there. So give this one a chance, I think. If you're a fan of leathers, musky, animalic leathers, this one is a nice modern spin on that family of fragrances. Wear it a few times to really start to understand and appreciate this. Same thing happened to me with Leather Oud. My first impression of that fragrance was, there's just no way I'm ever going to love this one. But, I wore it a little bit, let it dry down from top to finish. And now I really appreciate that fragrance. So this one I think is similar to that in a way in terms of how it rewards the person that gives it a chance from top to finish and can appreciate those animalic notes a little bit and the modern interpretation of this fragrance and what it smells like. Unfortunately, by the time some of these notes start to come out, it does become more of a skin scent. So I'm not sure how many people can smell it on me. I did get one compliment at work on this one from a guy. Yes, I think this one is something a manly man's going to want to wear because I think it does definitely have enough leather and musk in there to keep those types of wearers happy. So let me get into some scores here. The smell, I'll give it 6 out of 10. Even though I seem to like this one more and more, it seems like I wear this one more and more, I start to pick up more on the pleasing vanillic, apricot, and maybe some of like the other notes in here that are in here to make it more pleasing. When I first wore it, it really seemed disgusting, but I'm starting to like it more. Projection longevity, I'll give it 6 out of 10. Quickly fades down to a skin scent, in my opinion, and I didn't get a lot of feedback on this one. Versatility, 6.5 out of 10. I think this one really could be a signature scent for somebody that's a fan of leathers and looking for a more modern take on that spin with some unique, different notes. Uniqueness, 7.5 out of 10. I think they did a nice job here of making it different, but it does also keep its roots rooted in the 80s a little bit. Price point, 3.4 ounces, $67.99. So yeah, you can get a full-size bottle for a fair price, I think. Overall, I'm going to give this one 6 out of 10. I like it more and more as I wear it more and more, but also it comes difficult to smell on me to my nose after just a short period of time. So it's something that I kind of wear and smell and appreciate for myself sometimes more than anything. So that's my thoughts on 24 Elixir Platinum. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.